Welcome back. In previous video, I told if we have a bucket, we cannot rename like that. I told, if you notice that. Okay, but this one, there is no option to rename, right? I told, if you go with a previous video, you can find out that. But the thing is, my client is saying, I want to move this. I don't want this one. I want to I want to move this one. I want to move with another name like example, EMEA region or something like that. In this case, how we can go with? He is asking, you need to go with a help of transfer job. You need to go with a transfer job. You can copy paste in another bucket. What are the content you have? See, file 1, something, file 2 is there, not file 1. Okay, otherwise you can create some more files, upload some more. 1 minute, I'll rename this. Rename. This one is file 3. Rename. Okay, again upload 2 files. Uploaded. Fine. Now he is asking, no, I don't want this one. He want EMEA example some region. EMEA example region 1 2. He need, but you cannot rename. In this case, we have an option called transfer jobs. With help of data transfer, we can place what is the content in your previous bucket in new bucket. For this, what you need to do before, but you cannot rename. You cannot rename. Go back here. He is asking EMEA, same EMEA EMEA region example he need. Example 1 2. Okay, choose this one. Dual region. I'm going with dual region. Europe. One is in West 1, one is in West 2. Which one? In previous video, I told about standard and nearline and all those things. Auto class is there. What is this means? Automatically the Google will recommend you. According to that, the price will be, see this. According to that, it will calculate, see standard is this one. It will give you the recommendation. Go with that. But in real time, we are not going as of now because this is a new option. This one standard. Okay, keys I'll tell you in another session. Management keys. Okay, just I'm created a bucket. See, client is asking what is that, he want to rename, but we cannot rename. For this, we have option called move the content with using one bucket to another bucket. How? With help of this one. Create a transfer job. Storage source, which is the source, this one only, right? Destination also, so many. These transfer jobs I will tell you in data engineering, that will be very important. It's as of now it's not required. Location, which location, my bucket, go here. Source, right? This one is this. Next, destination, new bucket. Fine. Next, immediately it has to run because the data engineering product, this one, data transfer, that is the reason. Lot of things are there. It's not required. We need to execute right now only. We have a change request. Go next. When you want to delete or these things, so many things are there, then create. Like this we can go with that. In interviews, with help of data transfer, we can move one bucket to another bucket contents, but directly you cannot rename. Okay, fine. Go back here, let it run. It's not later on you will get the, yeah, see this one, got this. Okay, now I got the content what we have because executed the job. With help of that job, transfer job, internally what happens, what are the objects we have in first bucket, in that bucket to new bucket we got it. Now it's not required, this bucket is not required. Client is saying delete it. Go here, delete the bucket, delete. Fine, bucket is deleted. Okay, coming video we'll see in command lines. Okay, thank you. Please follow my channel.
Subscribe to my daddy's channel for regular updates. Click on bell icon.